Welcome to the Greenburgh Nature Center.
Come visit us. We offer programs for visitors of all ages.
At the Greenburgh Nature Center, we have 33 acres to explore. Come see our natural preserve, our native plant meadow, our pollinator gardens, or come to the Manor House where we have a live animal museum. We also have exhibits outside like our barnyard, our eagles, and of course, a playground for your children to explore and have fun. We have seasonal programs at the Nature Center, like apple cidering. Have you ever wondered how to make this seasonal drink? Our naturalists will show you while teaching you the history of apple cidering. Or maybe you're interested in joining us in the barnyard each day when we open and close. You can help us with chores and of course playtime with our friends.